Hello everyone. Today we gonna be show you how to schedule an automatic shutdown in Windows 10. Sometimes we may forget to shut down our computer after work, or for some reason you might need to start downloading a large file during the night and you have to wait until it finishes. But here, by scheduling a command auto shutdown on a specific time, you can save your time. So let me show you how to do this. So right click on start icon and from the option click on control panel. And here in control panel click on administrative tools. So under administrative tools there is the option called task scheduler. Double click on that. Task scheduler page will open. From the left side you will find action. Under the action click on create basic task. Then basic task wizard will open. From here you have to name the task. Suppose I need to name it auto shutdown. If you want, you can type some description over here. So in that case, click on next. Then choose how often you want the task to be carried out. It could be daily, weekly, monthly, one time, and so on. So here I need to click daily and click on next. Here you need to set the time where you want to shut down your PC automatically. Suppose I need to shut it down at 12:30 am every day. So here I have to select 0030 and exactly 00. Then click on next. Here, what action do you want the task to perform? Click start a program. Then click on next. From that page, click on browse. From here, select a file called shutdown. Shutdown and click on open. Here you will find the shutdown.exe path. Then click on next. After that, same way, if you want to put some description you can put. Then click on finish. And you need to close the task scheduler page. You need to close this. So now we have successfully created a task that will automatically shut down your computer in that particular time. So hope this video will help you. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe, like and share button. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.